Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to change email on Snapchat. Updating your email ensures you can recover your account and stay connected with important notifications. So let's get started on how to change email on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on the email option. Here, clear your current email and enter the email you want to change to. Finally, tap on the continue button and save the changes. And this is how you can change email on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.